Hello everyone. Today I am here with another one of my arbitrage flash loan videos. This one is on the Avax Avalanche chain, specifically Avax C chain. To start with, I have my Metamask funded with about a little over actually $200 worth of Matic. For anyone that's new to this, a little bit of preliminary information on what arbitrage trading is and what flash loans are. The links for this will be in the video description, as well as the source code here. So to start with, we're going to go to remix.ethereum.org, and we're going to create a new workspace by clicking this. Then we're going to create a new contract, and we'll name this avaxArbitrage.sol, and you can name it whatever you like as long as the extension is .sol. And we're going to get our source code. We're going to bring this into Remix, Control A, Control C. Let's paste this in here. As you can see, my Pragma Solidity version is set to 0.50, so we need to change our compiler in this second section, actually down over here where you set the compiler, and we're going to change it to 0.50 and press compile, and you should get the check as I did. Jump down one more tab, and so how this actually works, so that y'all understand, is that we are creating our own coin or token on chain, and we're going to fund that coin or token with enough actually gas to fund the rapid trading from a flash loan from VCred, and we're trading versus the Pangolin Dex, and the rapid trading inflates the coin's value, and that inflated value is where we generate the profit that you're going to see at the end. And it's amazing how this works. So everyone stay tuned and follow along. So to start with, we're going to connect our Metamask to Remix. So we're going to hit that drop down, and we're going to choose Injected Provider. It should pop up, and you can see that I'm choosing my account with a little over $200 worth of AVAX in it, because I'm going to fund my contract with about $200 worth of AVAX, because for the loan amount that I'm going to choose, which is $300, it turns out well. So for token name, I'm going to set this to my token, and you can name this whatever you like. The name and symbol do not matter. Loan amount does. That will be 300, like I said. And I'll do MTT for symbol. Symbol has to be 3. Name can be whatever. You can even name it the same as mine. It will have a separate hash on chain, so it will not matter if you name it the same as mine, but name it whatever you like. Drop down to loan amount of 300. And as you can see, my MetaMask is connected. Make sure yours is as well, otherwise you could be sending it to a you don't want to fund a contract not on chain, is what I'm saying. And you can see 14.1815 AVAX, 14.1815 showing over here. All this is set up, and I'm going to press transact, confirm, make sure this goes through as it has, and my contract you can see over here. This is our created coin on chain, and that is its address. So we need to now fund this with, like I said, $200 worth of actually gas, and at market value right now, that is $17.81. So $200 worth is 11.23 AVAX. So I'm going to copy my contract address and send over 11.23 AVAX. And you will see the AVAX amount show up right here once it goes through. Boom. So 11.23 AVAX is now on our, is sitting on our contract. Now the next thing we do is we're going to hit Flash Loan. And that's going to start actually the process of the flash loan from VCred trading versus Pangolin DEX. And usually it's about 30 seconds to 1 minute, and we should see the profits hit in real time, and I will make sure the MetaMask has the drop down, and so we can see it hit actually together. So flash loan, confirm, and like I said, it's usually about 30 seconds ish. Any minute. Shouldn't be. Boom. Fucking right. 99.499 AVAX. So we went $200. Wow. That was at least a 5. That was like a 7x. So we went $200 to $1,775. Fuck yeah. Spread the word. Don't spread too much though. But stack it while you can, guys. Y'all like, subscribe, freaking comment. Wish y'all the best. Everyone have an awesome day.